You know that awful feeling when you take a sip of homemade cold brew and it just tastes like muddy water? Yeah, I've been there. Last summer, I ruined a whole bag of expensive beans trying to find a decent brewer. The market is flooded with junk that leaks, clogs, or just looks cheap. So, I spent the last few months testing the top models to find out which ones actually deliver that smooth, cafe-quality kick. Well, the truth might surprise you. 7. Primula Burke Deluxe Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker. When I first took this out of the box, I was honestly pretty skeptical. I mean, it is highly rated and very affordable, but the materials just felt a little flimsy in my hands. It features a glass carafe and a fine mesh filter, which definitely looks nice sitting on the kitchen counter, but you know, aesthetics do not always translate to good coffee when you actually brew it. I loaded it up with some coarse grounds and threw it in the fridge overnight to see what it could do. The brewing process itself is straightforward enough for anyone to handle. You simply put the coffee in the center core, pour cold water over it, and wait. But here's what matters. The mesh filter on this thing is a real headache. I noticed almost immediately that smaller coffee particles were sneaking through the mesh walls, leaving this gritty sludge sitting at the bottom of my pitcher. And let me tell you about pouring your morning cup. You would think pouring liquid from a pitcher would be completely foolproof. Well, the spout design on the Primula is weirdly aggressive. If you are not perfectly careful with your angle, it tends to drip down the side of the glass and create a sticky mess on your kitchen counter. It is one of those minor annoyances that just builds up and frustrates you day after day. Cleaning it didn't exactly win me over either. The bottom of the filter tube does not come off. KitchenAid Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Now, KitchenAid is a heavyweight name in the kitchen, and this machine certainly looks the part right out of the package. It has this beautiful thick glass and brushed stainless steel build that screams premium appliance. When I cleared a spot and set it up on my fridge shelf, it honestly looked like a little professional coffee tap from a high-end downtown cafe. The built-in stainless steel tap is absolutely the main selling point here. You know, the idea of just walking up to your fridge in the morning, opening the door and pulling a little lever for instant cold brew is incredibly appealing. During my first week testing it, I really loved that pure convenience. You do not have to haul a heavy, wet pitcher out of the fridge every single morning before your eyes are fully open. But then reality slowly set in. After about a dozen uses, I noticed a tiny brown puddle forming under the tap. Yeah, it started dripping. Not a massive leak, but definitely enough to make my glass fridge shelf sticky and annoying to clean. I tried tightening all the internal seals, but the mechanism just felt unreliable. Plus, the footprint of this thing is awkwardly wide. If you have a packed fridge, finding shelf space that can accommodate this wide, square box is a serious puzzle. The steep basket is another mixed bag when it comes to performance. It holds a ton of coffee, which is great for making a really big batch of concentrate for the week. 5. Takeya Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker. After the minor frustrations with the KitchenAid, switching over to the Takeya felt like taking a deep, relaxing breath. It is not made of heavy glass or shiny metal. Instead, it is crafted from a durable, BPA-free Triton plastic. At first, I thought that lightweight material might feel a bit cheap, but honestly, it is a massive relief. I accidentally knocked this thing against my granite kitchen counter on day 3 of testing, and it did not even leave a scratch on the surface. It is practically indestructible. The tall, slender design is exactly what a cold brew maker should be structurally. It slides effortlessly right into the side door of the fridge, freeing up all that precious main shelf space for your groceries. You know, sometimes incredibly simple design really is the absolute best design. The fine mesh coffee filter inside works surprisingly well for a plastic unit. Takeya definitely paid close attention to the hole size when they engineered this piece. I used a standard medium coarse grind, and the resulting cold brew was remarkably clean. No muddy sludge, no weird grit at the bottom of the glass, just a smooth, dark, delicious coffee concentrate. It was a very noticeable step up in cup clarity compared to the Primula. The airtight lid. It actually seals, completely and totally. You can literally turn this entire pitcher completely upside down and shake it aggressively to agitate the coffee grounds. I highly recommend doing this, by the way. Oavware. If the Takeya was all about practical plastic convenience, the Oavware brings us right back to the sheer elegance of glass. It looks like a beautiful piece of vintage lab equipment in the best way possible. The thick borosilicate glass pitcher feels incredibly solid and weighted in the hand, and the stainless steel filter assembly just looks incredibly sharp on a breakfast table. I was really impressed with the laser-cut mesh filter on this specific model. When I poured my first glass over ice, the visual clarity of the coffee was outstanding. It manages to keep all the messy grounds perfectly contained while still allowing the natural, flavorful coffee oils to pass right through the metal. I mean, those natural oils are exactly what give cold brew its rich, chocolatey mouthfeel, so you really do not want a paper filter stripping them all away. True to its brand name, the airtight seal on the Oavware is genuinely excellent. It uses a thick silicone ring around the metal stopper that locks in the coffee flavor and keeps out any weird, lingering fridge odors. Because let us be real, nobody wants their morning coffee tasting like last night's leftover garlic onions. I left a batch of concentrate sitting in this for almost 2 weeks, and it tasted just as brilliantly fresh on day 12 as it did on day 2. I also really appreciated the subtle measurement markings printed on the side of the glass. It takes all the frustrating guesswork out of finding the exact right coffee to water ratio. 3. The Vinci Express Cold Brew. Now, I have to confess something. I usually roll my eyes pretty hard at anything claiming to make instant cold brew. The whole entire point of cold brew is that it takes a long time, right? Well, the Vinci actually made me eat my own words. This machine does not take 12 to 24 hours to steep. It takes about 25 minutes. Instead of just letting the grounds sit passively in cold water, the Vinci uses this incredibly unique circular flow technology. It literally pumps the water up through the center of the filter basket and aggressively flushes it over the coffee grounds over and over again. Watching it work on the kitchen counter is actually kind of mesmerizing, even if the pump makes a quiet humming noise. But the real question for me was the taste test. I brewed a quick batch on the medium strength setting and poured it straight over ice. I fully expected it to taste weak, watery, or severely under-extracted. I was completely wrong. The flavor was shockingly bold and incredibly smooth. It lacked all the heavy bitterness you usually get from hot brewed coffee poured over ice, capturing that true cold brew sweetness perfectly. You know, the sheer convenience of this electric machine completely changes the cold brew game. Forget to start a batch on Sunday night? It genuinely does not matter anymore. You can wake up on Monday morning, push a single button, go take a quick shower, and have fresh cold brew waiting for you when you get out. OXO Brew Rapid Brewer. OXO has this wonderful reputation for making brilliantly engineered kitchen gear, and they absolutely did not miss the mark here. While the Vinci uses an electric water pump to speed things up, OXO takes a completely different, entirely manual approach to accelerating the process, and I think I actually prefer their method. This brewer looks a bit like a futuristic hourglass sitting on your counter. It uses a very unique vacuum pressure system to rapidly extract flavor directly from the grounds. You add your coffee, pour the water, and literally pull a lever. It essentially forces the water physically through the coffee bed, drastically accelerating the extraction time down to just a few minutes. It is entirely manual, meaning there are no power cords or electric motors to eventually break down. The quality of the coffee this thing produces is just staggering. Because it uses physical vacuum pressure rather than just passively waiting for time to pass, the resulting concentrate is incredibly dense and highly aromatic. I used a light roast Ethiopian bean for my final test, and the OXO pulled out all these bright, beautiful fruity notes that usually just get muted and lost in a traditional long steep. The build quality is everything you would expect from an OXO product. The glass carafe feels very substantial, and the upper brewing chamber securely clicks into place with this very satisfying, heavy lock. And here is what matters most for my chaotic daily routine. Cleaning it is an absolute breeze. Coffee Gator Cold Brew Maker. After weeks of testing, spilling, waiting, and tasting endless cups, this was the brewer I kept coming back to every single morning. It does not have a fancy electric pump, and it does not use complex vacuum pressure chambers. What it does have is absolute perfection in its fundamental everyday design. The secret weapon of the Coffee Gator is its filter. It uses an incredibly fine medical-grade stainless steel mesh that heavily outperforms everything else I tested on this journey. I even tried throwing a very finely ground dark roast in there just to push it to its absolute limits. When I poured a glass the very next day, there was not a single speck of coffee dust sitting at the bottom. It produces a remarkably heavy, velvety cup of coffee that is completely grit-free. They also included a clever little plastic funnel that makes loading the coffee grounds entirely mess-free. You know how you always end up spilling a little bit of coffee dust on the counter when filling a narrow filter? Yeah, Coffee Gator completely solved that issue. They also include a nice little measuring scoop, so the whole kit is just perfectly thought out and ready to go right out of the delivery box. Aesthetically, it is totally stunning. The heavy thermal glass pitcher combined with the sharp metallic accents looks incredibly sleek and professional, but it is not just built for show.